We have Jet Wyvron W6 in our spider web. Oh wait, somebody's already using that. In our speed Victreon web. Let's just get to the video. Alright, so taking a look at the packaging, we have, of course, Jet Wyvron and then the launcher. And right there it says impact absorbing ring, which is very nice. The parts are just atrocious, but we'll get into that in a little bit. Okay, yeah, without further ado, let's box it. Come on, Hasbro, you gotta bend up my ripcord like that? Like, seriously. Look at this. Look at this. Alright, going over each part. First up we have the chip, which is Wyvron. Slopes are fine. Use the code if you want it. Yeah, it actually looks pretty good. Now, the part we've all been waiting for. The jet ring. And guys, they gave it the free spin. They gave it the free spin. They gave it the free spin. And it actually does it like the Zakir told me one where it spins this way, but it kind of stops this way. I mean, it still spins, but it's kind of rough. Anyways, yeah. Now, here's the part that I really do not agree with. They gave it central. Why? Why would they do this? Why would they do this? Like, seriously, this is just so wrong. And then to top it all off, they gave us needle. And then to save the extra 2 cents, they flattened it down. Like, seriously, come on, Hasbro. You know what this reminds me of? A cactus. That's what we're gonna call it, the cactus driver. Anyways, yeah, slopes are actually pretty good. Okay, not bad. Okay, they butchered it so bad. I mean, the Zakir told me one from what I've seen. It's not that good either, but come on. Alright, test launch. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Yeah, it's gonna move around because the tip is flat. And after a while, it's just gonna sit inside. If I touch it, it's gonna. Okay, it just stopped. Let me try that again. If I grab it, will it? And it just bursted in my hand. Alright, let's do a couple of test battles now, shall we? I got Vex here. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Probably should have left Vex first. And Vex is just going around. Okay. Somehow it won. 3, 2, 1. And the Lucius is just going around again. Okay, somehow it managed to burst Lucius. I guess you're out of here, Lucius. Okay, let's try it against Demise. 3, 2, 1. Come on, gotta follow the launcher. Okay, Demise just. Whoa! New shit from Demise. Instantly knocks Wyvron off balance because of this dumb driver. 3, 2, 1. Oh, huge hits, but Jet takes it. I think that's all I'm gonna do for the battles. Now, should you buy this? God, no, do not waste your money. This thing is, I mean, if you want the free spin, yeah, I mean, but the chip is below average, and the parts are just mid. Anyways, yeah, that's gonna be all for this video, guys. And we'll see you in the next one. Wasting my money.